Hey there, fellow industry professionals. Today, I'm diving into a crucial topic for anyone in manufacturing bridging the skills gap. This issue is growing rapidly and can have significant consequences for productivity, costs, and innovation. But don't worry, I've got some key strategies to help tackle this challenge. First up, let's talk about the skills gap itself. As technology advances, the availability of skilled workers isn't keeping pace. A 2020 Deloitte study predicts a staggering 2.4 million unfilled manufacturing jobs in the US alone between 2018 and 2028. This widening gap can hinder both innovation and economic development. So, how do we address it? One effective approach is partnering with educational institutions. By shaping curricula and providing students with real-world experience through apprenticeships and internships, we can ensure a steady pipeline of skilled workers. This collaboration benefits both students and companies. Next, investing in on-the-job training is crucial. As technology evolves, employees need to keep up. Offering various training methods such as online courses, workshops, mentoring programs, and cross-training opportunities is essential. Tailoring these programs to different learning styles and skill levels ensures they're effective. While embracing technology in training, like simulations and virtual reality, it's vital not to overlook the human element. Hands-on experience, interaction with instructors, and peer collaboration remain valuable. Finding the right balance between high-tech and high-touch training methods is key. Creating a culture of continuous learning is also essential. This means providing opportunities for growth, recognizing and rewarding learning achievements, and promoting a growth mindset. Companies must adapt their training programs to keep pace with the rapid transformation of the manufacturing industry. Ultimately, investing in workforce development goes beyond just filling open positions. It's about strategically cultivating a highly skilled and adaptable workforce. This benefits not only the companies themselves, but also contributes to the overall success and advancement of the industry. So remember, addressing the skills gap requires a multi-pronged approach. Partner with educational institutions, invest in on-the-job training, embrace technology while valuing the human element, and foster a culture of continuous learning. By doing this, we can mitigate the negative impacts of the skills gap and position ourselves for success in the evolving manufacturing landscape. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of manufacturing. Until next time, keep investing in your people, because investing in people is investing in success.